Hey guys, it's me, Army of War. This is the new Samsung S10 Plus. I only got the 128 gig model because I didn't see no difference again the 512 and the terabyte model because there's a terabyte SD card that I'm going to buy anyway. So I didn't see the need in the 12 gigs of RAM, so 8 gigs would do me just fine. I didn't have time to do the unboxing, but I didn't touch anything in the box. So yeah, I got the UAG case for the Samsung S10. Like it. It's really nice. I like in the fingerprint reader inside. I'm sorry I'm going to stutter a lot. It's pretty late. Don't mind me. I'm covering up my information right now, but as soon as I lift up the box, there. All right, and it comes with a little SIM card, blah blah blah. You got your charger. Standard. It's not USB Type C to C, which I'm surprised in this day and age. It's not USB Type C, which, yeah. USB Type C to USB A, which is still pretty nice that they include that. The charger cable. I have so many chargers, so I'm not taking this out the box. The UAG headphones, and that's basically it. And then you got your SIM card ejector and stuff like that on the top of the box. Hold on, let me get that for you. It's like hiding like a little Spider-Man on top of the box, so you gotta literally pull that tab out. And that's basically it. I don't think I have enough time for a product review, but if you want me to play some games, I don't know if it's gonna come out quickly enough. Just hit me in the comment section below. I might play some PUBG, some Fortnite, maybe do some emulators like Dolphin Emulator or RetroArch. Just let me know if you're interested. Sorry about the bad review. Just doing it really quickly because I want to see if people want me to do some reviews on it. All right, guys. If you liked it, thumbs up. If you didn't, thumbs down. Yeah.